In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram verification code not received. If Telegram isn't sending a code, don't worry. This usually comes down to rate limits, connectivity, or carrier settings. We'll move from the simplest checks to the more advanced ones, so follow along and pause as needed. First, be patient. After a failed attempt, wait at least 5 to 10 minutes before requesting the code again. Repeated requests in a short time can trigger temporary delivery blocks, so give it a little breathing room. Depending on your region, SMS can also be delayed by carrier congestion, so sometimes waiting is all you need. Keep Telegram open on the login screen while you wait so you don't miss the prompt. Next, rule out connection issues. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then off. If needed, restart your phone to refresh network services. These quick resets fix many delivery hiccups. Double check your phone number entry. Make sure you selected the correct country and included the proper country code. Enter the number cleanly with no spaces and no extra zeros at the start. On some networks, data roaming is required for verification to pass. In settings, open connections, then mobile networks, and turn data roaming on. This is especially helpful when traveling or if your carrier uses partner networks. If that doesn't help, manually choose your network. In mobile networks, open network operators, turn off automatic selection, wait for the list to load, and pick your carrier. After selecting, give it a moment for your signal to stabilize before trying again. Check for blocks on your device. Ensure unknown numbers aren't blocked, temporarily disable spam filters or call blockers, and make sure your SMS inbox isn't full. Some built-in security apps filter short codes by default, so double check those settings. If SMS still fails, wait for Telegram to offer a phone call and take the call to hear the code. It's usually an automated voice that reads the digits, so listen carefully. Turn off any device VPN, and in Telegram, go to Settings, Data and Storage, Proxy, and disable any proxy before trying again. Some providers and anti abuse systems are sensitive to proxy traffic during login. Update the Telegram app from the Play Store or App Store. If that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall. Your cloud chats will resync after login. If you're on Android, try Telegram X. It uses a different engine that can behave better on some devices. Install it, sign in with your number, and request the code there. You can also try logging in on Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. Sometimes the code arrives there instead of via SMS. As a last resort, if nothing arrives after 72 hours, contact Telegram support and provide your phone number, device type, and a clear description of the issue. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.